Welcome to our YouTube channel Study with Amit. I am Amit and today we'll start array programming and we'll do few programmings in array. So let's start. So here we have our question. Write a program to store 10 numbers in an array and print the sum of average of array elements. So first we have to see what is written in the question. So it is written store 10 numbers. Store 10 numbers means we have to take 10 inputs from user and in an array and print the sum and average of array elements. So we have to print sum and average of array elements. So there will be 10 elements we will take input. So let's start for that. So for that we will write import java.util.asterisk class arr1 public static void main string args. This much you should also know. After this, scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in. So we have written till there. Copy down. After this, we'll write the main part of the program. So copy down. After that, we'll write int a array of a is equal to new int 10. It says that 10 elements will be stored in this A. So we'll take few variables I sum is equal to 0 and we'll take I, S and AVG. So we have taken input. After this, what we'll do? First, we have to take input. So for taking input, what we do? We start for loop for int I is equal to int is written there. We will write for I is equal to 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus. And what we will do? We will write a of I is equal to sc dot next int. We'll write a of I is equal to sc dot next int. This will close this. After this, first we have taken input. We have declared taken input. Now we have to do processing and then we'll print output. So this is the whole method. This we have done. We have taken input and after this what will be the process? So we'll start for loop again, as we know. For I is equal to 10, I is equal to 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus. This we have written. After this, what we'll do? We'll do the inner part. So what we want? Sum. We have stored values in int. Sum is equal to 0. We have stored I and avg. These three values we have taken inside int. So what we'll do, we'll write s is equal to s plus a of I. We'll write sum is equal to sum plus a of I. Again, this value will change, and a of I, the value of I will change, and a0, a1, a2, a3 and so on. The values will come inside this and it will be added, and at last we'll get sum, value of sum. So after this, what we have to do? Sum and average. So average, we have to find out average. We'll print here SOPLN, or we'll write full system dot out dot print ln. We'll write sum of array is equal to plus s. We have printed sum. We have written sum is equal to sum of array is equal to. We have written system.out.println sum of array is equal to plus s. The value of s is here. At last it will come out of the loop and we will print it. We have found out the sum. After this, what we have to do? We have to find the average of array. So average means what? Sum average is equal to what is formula for average? Sum of terms by number of terms. This is formula. So we have to see that why we'll take out sum now. So in place of taking out sum, we can put this value. This is sum of all the array elements. This S is sum of all the elements, and there are 10 numbers. As we have taken before, we have written that a of I is equal to new int 10, and we have to take 10 numbers. So we'll divide it by number of terms. This will be 10, and this here we'll write s. We'll write s by 10. So how we'll write this in Java? We'll print here again system dot out dot print ln. System dot out dot print ln. We'll write average is equal to plus s by 10. Average is equal to plus s by 10, and we'll close this. So this is also one way, and in another way, what we can do, we can take one extra variable int z, and first store that s by 10. Will calculate it in here, calculate in z, and we'll print here z. In place of this, we'll write here z, and average will be printed. So this is how what we do. We write programs in array. So there are few simple things that we have to remember. That first we have to declare, as this is declaration part. After this, input, we have taken it before in for loop. In loop we take input in array, in loops, and after this, what we do? We perform the task which is given in the question. So here we have taken out sum, and after this, here we have taken out sum and system.out.println sum of array is equal to plus sum, means that it will print sum of array and plus sum. It is outside double quote, so it will print the value of s which we have taken out here, and after this we are printing the average of this. So this was the thing. We have we don't have to what we say. Here we don't have to write outputs in different form, as it is asking in one form only as sum of terms. If it would have asked to print the value again, which we are taking from user, then we have to start loop in output also. So this was the thing. As it is asked in the question, we perform the task. As it asked us, we are the programmers, so we have to write according to the question given to us. So for this, we have to see what is written in the question, and according to it, we have to write our program. So this was the thing. So thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, then do share it with your friends. So thank you. Have a good day. Jai Hind.